here to pick up the trail cam. And I wasn't even done unloading my gear, and I heard a wood knock. Maybe they are letting each other know I'm here, or someone's here. But I'm pretty sure they know it's me, right? Who else is going to do this? Nobody else comes out here. I don't know anybody within, a 200-mile radius of myself that goes out and does what I'm doing. So, but we're going to go in. I keep thinking I hear walking. I don't know, maybe it's my ears, because I'm trying to listen so hard. But let's go. All right, here we go. A little bit of a breeze today, not too bad. If the game camera is still there, there might be quite a few files of wind. The trees around it would have probably kicked it on, all the movement, right? The last time I was here, I had come onto a bed, and I totally forgot to film that bed. I'm going to see if I can't find it. Yeah, it's still being used too. There's 2 beds here. Whoa. What was that? Okay. One right here. I just heard something strange. And come up here a little ways. Right there. I don't see any, like if it was an elk or deer, usually after they bed down, they will leave droppings, right? It's just something they do. And I don't see any droppings. Hello? Alright. That's a... You guys, it's a tree squeaking. Oh my goodness. Freaked me out a little bit. Okay, don't zap me today. Wow. That is a crazy sound. It's a tree. Squeaky. Or rubbing. Right there. Right there. Yep. Now, there he goes. No yapping. Camera's still there. You can see the strap. It's in better condition than the last time. Okay, so we only got like eight files on that trail cam, and all is empty. All the treats are gone out of there. Okay, well we'll put some more in. That's interesting. I just heard a wood knock in the exact same direction I just heard a wood knock in the exact same direction I'm filming. Sorry, I was kind of zoomed in there. My whistler's not working. Man, there's some strange noises in here today, and I had that trail cam on that tree right there, and there is only, like, it's been over about a week and a half that I had it sitting here, and I've only got like eight video files, and I'm thinking some of those would be triggered by the wind. Oh my god, that's a weird sound. If I didn't know what that was, it would freak me out. It's a tree rubbing on another tree. Anyway, what was I saying now? Oh yes, I think I'm just going to take this trail cam. I think we're just going to walk around here a little bit. and see if I can find a better game trail. One that's a bit more busy. Yeah, these beds are well used. I really thought that it would have been triggered to come on a lot more. Plus, I'd like to get away from that tree that's making that weird noise. It's interfering with everything else. Let's take a little walk down here. Anyways. Scared to talk. I'm hearing stuff. cow. Oh my goodness. That's the bad part of this spot. Right now, just this time of year. But if we're listening close, it'll always come from that direction, because that's the side, on the other side of that road that I park on. That's where the lease is. So we're always going to hear, if the noises are coming from that side, I'm guessing most of the time, 8 out of 10, it'll be a cow. Or a bull, or something like that. Anything Bigfoot related, or other critters, are going to be in this side. I did hear a wood knock, and something else, and I was moving around here. I wasn't sure what it was, but it sounded like a vocalization. I'm not sure. I'm going to post a timestamp here right now, right here. It'll come up on the screen. In the last upload, over on the east side, Seven Creeks east side, I'm in the bush, I'm talking to you, and there's, I would say on this side of me, there's a white poplar that's leaned up. Look about here, about this area, way to the back of me, and there's something back there. I just noticed it in my video after I uploaded it. I didn't see it when I was editing. I just noticed it now, so go and check that out. And I don't know, it could be just a dark thing, but it's big, and it's either kneeling or laying back there in the trees. So check that out. Let me know what you guys think. I've got to learn to slow down in my movements, even when I'm turning with the camera and stuff like that. I'm learning as I go, right? And I just gotta. It's sometimes hard to keep those things, just to remember those little things, right? Move slower, move my camera slower, turn slower. There's all these things because it helps. And a lot of times I find myself just whipping around because things are going on and we miss stuff, right? We miss a whole bunch of stuff, I think, and I've got to learn to just slow down. Take a deep breath and slow down. But okay, so we got the camera. Like I said, there's only 8 video files on there. I'll know when I put them onto the computer. And I'm just going to leave it here for a bit without the camera and just come and just keep visiting the gifting bowl. I left some treats. And the crazy tree that was making noises over there, I moved about, I'd say about almost a half a mile north and west of where the gifting bowl is, just to get away from the weird noises back there. I don't know. I think it's just a tree. I'm going to try to make an effort to get down to the river, the Simonet River. I think there's a highlight video of that place in my earlier uploads. The sounds are very big, and I think partly due to the fact that everything's in this river valley, right? You get a lot of echo, there's an echo factor, and it just seems to carry, the sounds seem to carry, water carries sound too, so yeah, the sounds are different there. And 3 times now when I've been there, I've got this booming sound. It almost sounds like as if something threw a big boulder, and when it hits the ground, it makes that thud, and you feel the vibration, right? I don't know what that is. But 3 times now I've felt that and heard that there, and I don't know what that is. Maybe, no idea. There was Bigfoot vocals and wood knocks going around when this was happening, so the 2 times, I think 2 of the times I really thought they threw a rock near to me, not at me, but near to me, right? Almost as if to let me know or look in that direction. I'm not sure. It does sound though like a boulder being thrown and thud, right? I've never seen the rock being thrown though, so I'm just guessing that that's what it was. But anyway, my next stop, I'm hoping to get there in the next day or 2. I'm hearing so many things right now. Okay. I'm hearing so many things right now. Okay. Plan?
Yeah. I did it.
We've actually had 2 or 3 days now without the smoke. And I'm pretty sure I heard on our local radio station it was like 80 fires in the province of BC, which is west of me. I'm only an hour and a half, 2 hours driving from the Rocky Mountains, right? And all these fires on the other side of those mountains, on the mountain range, kind of in interior BC. And that's where all the smoke was coming here. In some areas it was to the point where people were having a hard time getting enough air to breathe, enough oxygen. Poor air qualities. Yeah, I'm on a trail. Yeah, so I do have to learn how to slow down back in the bush. Onward ho! Okay. I'm out of here. I need a cabin. Way back in the woods somewhere. We used to have cabins, trappers' cabins. My dad was a trapper. My grandpa was a trapper. And they had a lot of cabins along the river, and one of the best memories going to the cabin. School would be out at the end of June, the month of June, and we'd be packing up, and we would summer at the cabins till school started in September. So there was a lot of swimming and fishing and boating and just being out in nature, right? No power, and there wasn't such thing as generators back then. So it was kerosene lanterns and wood stove, cooking over the fire. The last 2 generations growing up, they don't know what any of that's about. Even within my own family, they have no idea. And some of them don't even leave the cities, right? But I guess it's up to the parents to do that for them, right? Kind of introduce them to something like that. So I will sign off here. Hopefully see you at the river, right? There's trees there too, so I'll see you in the trees. Bye for now.